Want to make $150 a day without breaking a sweat? I've got you covered with 4 super lazy ways beginners can start making money online in 2024. You don't need experience or a big investment, just a bit of time and the right strategy. Stick around, because the last one's a game changer. Let's kick things off with method number 1. Paid surveys and apps. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinion. You can realistically pull in $10–20 an hour just by sharing your thoughts. Imagine, you're sitting on the couch, binging Netflix, and racking up cash by answering a few questions on your phone. Focus on high-paying surveys and sign up for multiple sites to maximize your earnings. There are also cashback apps like Rakuten that pay you for shopping online. Install the extension Shop as Usual and get cashback. Paid surveys and apps. The ultimate lazy way to make extra cash online. Remember, consistency is key. Next up, affiliate marketing. You don't need your own website or product. Find a product you love, sign up for their affiliate program, and get a unique link to share. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a commission. Platforms like Pinterest and TikTok are gold mines for affiliate marketing. Create eye-catching pins or videos, add your affiliate links, and watch the magic happen. You can promote anything from tech gadgets to online courses. Find something you're passionate about and start sharing it. You'll be surprised how quickly those commissions can add up. Chapter 3. Selling digital products. The secret to passive income in 2024. Create a product once and sell it over and over again. Think printables, ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, website themes. You can even outsource the creation to freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork. Set up shop on platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy, or create your own website. Promote your products on social media, through email marketing, or by collaborating with other creators. The sky's the limit when it comes to selling digital products. Work smarter, not harder. Passive income at its finest. Chapter 4. YouTube Cash Cow Channels. The $150 a day blueprint you need to see. Create a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face. Focus on evergreen content like top 10 videos, compilations, or educational videos. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, monetize with ads. Outsource video creation to editors on Fiverr and Upwork. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Promote your videos on social media and online communities. Be consistent with your uploads. The more high-quality content you put out, the faster your channel will grow. There you have it. 4 lazy ways to start making $150 a day or more online in 2024. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or build a full-time income, these methods are beginner-friendly and low effort. So, which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Let's start earning.